Alright guys, we're ready for the color part. Now today we're going to be working with colored pencils, and for this one I was doing a color pattern of the rainbows, going from red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and violet or purple here, and then for the letters on it I was kind of flip-flopping, or the background here. So this goes green, blue, violet, red, orange, and then yellow. Okay, so I would make it a little mistake here as I was working on it. So I'm going to put this yellow here so you can kind of see how I work with it here. See if I can put yellow on top of it. There we go. So when you work with a colored pencil, make sure you bring it back a little bit, and you want that even tone as you go around. Now you could choose the color you want on this, but we want to try to do some of that level 3, level 4 coloring. So you want to really kind of lighten it up, go over it a few times till you get that dark tone that you're looking for. So since I made a mistake here, I actually kind of like it because it gives almost like a little bit of a shadow effect going on there. Now I probably should have slowed down on that part, but I kind of went over it. But you know, sometimes that happens and it looks actually pretty good. When you go around, I was doing some different value changes here. So I was doing darker on this side. So what I did is I added some black on top of it. So I just did a regular purple, but I wanted to darken one side of it. It kind of looks like a shadow effect. And I just kind of brought it a little bit further back. And I'm just darkening up on the sides. I did it here, the yellow here I did it. Now on this one you only see one side, so I didn't do it there. But any of these little areas I kind of darkened up by going over top of that color. Now this one right here is going to put some purple and put it right here. I'm going to do just a level 3 here. Not have any value changes. Now, one of the biggest things with these is that you do need to sharpen them. So we will have some handheld ones available. So you could use those, or you can use our pencil sharpener, the electric one. Be careful when you put it into the electric one. It sometimes likes to eat the pencil, and before you know it, it'll all be gone. So you just have to put it in carefully and gently, and then pull it out. But we will have these available for you to work with as well. Now as you get done with this, you could do something in the background. You could do other drawings around here. We'll have other materials available, but you can also use watercolors to put in some paints. So I'm just going to do a little test here to kind of show you what you can do. Be careful you don't get too much water all over on your paper here, on some of your hard work that you did on here. But I'm just going to do just kind of a light color around here. Maybe just start off with some blue and see what happens. So I'm just going to do a little bit in the background here. And if you get a little bit on here, it actually doesn't do a whole lot. It just kind of pushes it away. This just kind of adds a nice little effect towards the end of your artwork here. Don't be afraid to go right up to the tape here and paint up to it, because it'll create kind of a nice little line there around your work. All right, guys, good luck with your work today.